So you clicked on this video because you're interested in driving lots of traffic to your Clickbank offers. Well, you've come to the right place because I'm going to show you 3 sites today where you can drive lots of traffic to any Clickbank offer that you offer. And one of those sites focuses primarily on Canada market. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get you started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. Like I said in the intro here, we're going to show you 3 sites today that are high traffic sites where you can place your Clickbank offers and drive targeted traffic to your offers and make Clickbank sales. Okay? Alrighty, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos or you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, well, I can't imagine what's holding you back. Reach right down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty. Also, for those that are new to the videos, we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to help you live the life of freedom. Alrighty, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you too as well. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get in on this. I got 3 high traffic sites I want to share with you today that you can place your Clickbank offers and drive some targeted traffic to them. Alright, so we're going to come over today's video, we're going to use the Chrome browser rather than the Opera, and open that up. First thing you want to do, of course, you're going to come to Clickbank, right? You got to get your product first, or your offer. Now these sites that I'm going to show you, you can use on any Clickbank offer. So you come to Clickbank and you get signed in with your account. If you have an account, just sign in. Click on Marketplace. It brings you over to the Marketplace here. And you can scroll down and you see there's all kinds of different categories here. I just clicked on Health and Fitness. You can actually use any category you want, or if you want, you can just simply click on the button there to search. You don't have to type anything into the search engine, just click it and it loads up the most popular sites, and you can also search by popularity or gravity or whatever. Now I like to search by gravity myself because the higher gravity, like for example the Cinderella solution here, this is a women's weight loss product, and you see the gravity down here is about well, it's not going to let me highlight it here, I guess, but the gravity is 387 people that are marketing this on the internet successfully. Alright, so nevertheless, like I say, you can use any product on this site that you want. In fact, the more products you use or the more products you market, the more chances you're going to have to make money. Okay, and like I said in the beginning, this is all free, can be done anywhere in the world. All you need to do is sign up for an account on these websites. Now, the first site that we're going to come to focuses primarily on Canada, the Canada market, and it is a site called Kijiji. You can see it right here, Kijiji.ca, or if you type in Kijiji.com, it gets you to this same spot here. Okay, you see it up here in the address bar, Kijiji.ca right there. Alrighty, now you come over here to this site. Now, why would we choose this site? Well, let's just take a look and see here. If I click on Similar Web here, I'm going to show you why we choose this site, because of the high traffic. If you look here, guys, Kijiji gets about 64 million visitors per month. That's a lot of traffic. That's a lot of traffic for your offers right there. 64 million visitors a month. You can see that sometimes it's even up to 75. This is for the whole year, so coming from April, about the last 6-7 months, from April up to, in fact, back in May, it was up to 75 million people per month in that month of May, and then on down from there. and currently it's at about 64 million. So that is quite a lot of traffic for your offers. Now, I typed in here Clickbank in here just to show you that other people are also promoting Clickbank products on this website as well. So as we scroll down here, you can see some of these other ads here. And you'll notice that you see the Clickbank affiliate hop link right here. These people are putting this hop link, these Clickbank hop links into their ads. Now, I recommend that you do not do that. What you want to do when you get your hop link from Clickbank, for example, let's just take the Cinderella solution as example right here. So if I click on promote and put in my account nickname here, right, or your affiliate nickname, and then click generate hop link, you see it gives you that long, ugly Clickbank hop link. I don't recommend using that in your ads. What you want to do is copy that and then bring that thing over to bitly.com, bitly.com. It brings it up here, and then you'll just paste in your affiliate link there, your long ugly Clickbank link, and then click on the shorten button over here, and it shortens it up and gives you this much better looking link right here. Much nicer looking, much shorter, and probably more likely to be clicked on because it doesn't say Clickbank and people don't feel like they're having products thrown down their throat, so to speak. So you take your bit.ly shortened up link, and then of course you want to test it. You always test it. I don't trust bit.ly, so I always test my links before I use them. So we click in there, and a new tab in our browser we open up, and we're going to paste that link in there and go, and we see it brings us over here to the video sales letter for the Cinderella Solution product. It should do the same thing with you on any product that you use. It doesn't matter, like I said, you can use any product that you want to promote on any of these three sites. So Kijiji, as you can see, there's a few people posting Clickbank products, marketing them on this site. And like I said, they're all using that ugly, long Clickbank hop link. And I'd recommend that you don't do that. Use the bit.ly shorter link. It'd be more apt to be clicked on rather than that long, ugly Clickbank hop link there. As you can see, all these people use that down there. I don't know, they're still probably getting traffic, no doubt. And as you can see, these are all free ads, free posted ads here. You can buy an account on this site if you want to, but it's not necessary. Alright, basically all you want to do is come here to Kijiji. You're just going to click register right here, and you'll register with an email address, your name, and a password, and click register, and they're probably going to send you a confirmation email, and you'll need to confirm your account or your email address on the site so that you can get your account locked in here. Alright, and then all at that point, once you get registered and get signed in, you just click on post an ad, and then it will bring it up here. Of course, I'm not signed in here, so it brings up want me to sign in, but it'll bring it up, and you can fill out your ad and post your ad information in there that you want to do, and your pictures from your product on Clickbank, and then post that, and then you have an opportunity to get lots of traffic to your Clickbank offer here. Now, my recommendation is to do more than one product, right? You can do it. Could you imagine if you did 10 Clickbank products? This is just an example, but if you did 10 Clickbank products on Kijiji here, and then on the other two sites I'm about to show you, how much traffic you would get to all these different offers, and you'd have more than many different ways to make money with Clickbank products here. Alrighty. So the first site is Kijiji.ca. Alrighty. The next site that I want to show you here is called Claz.org. CLAZ.org. You see it right here in the address bar as well. And it's the same thing here. I think if we type in Clickbank here, see if it shows us any Clickbank ads here. Yes, it does. And you can see here that people are posting Clickbank products here, offers on this site as well. And again, as you look, you see they're using that long, ugly Clickbank hop link. You can use it if you want to, but I don't recommend it myself. I would go with the shorter, better looking link from Bitly. Okay? As you can see down through here is a lot of different people posting Clickbank offers. I think that the fact that they're putting that long Clickbank ugly link on there is they're just lazy, or they don't know about Bitly where they can shorten that link up and make it look better, and it'd be more apt for people to click on their links. But anyways, that nevertheless, you can use this if you want, the long Clickbank link. It doesn't matter. But you see there's quite a few people here posting Clickbank offers on this site. So you can get a lot of traffic on here. Now let's check it out and see what the traffic rank is on it. As you see, we bring out similar web extension, which you can get for free. Go to the Chrome Web Store and install it on your Chrome browser. Okay? You see it's class.org in there for similar web. If we scroll up, we see here that this website is getting right now about close to 1 million visitors per month. 998.1, almost 1 million. If we look back up here through April to September, it even got up to about 1.4 million in June, and then in August it was back up to 1.12 million, and now at this point it's at about 1 million, a little less than 1 million. That's a lot of traffic. That's a lot of people, folks. Same thing here. You sign up for a free account, and then you just click on post an ad, and it's free to post your ad here on this site. Again, they do also have paid ads if you want to add more time or so on and so forth, or whatever. You can also sign up for a paid account here as well. So as you can see, other people are promoting Clickbank products on this site. So that tells you there must be a reason why, right? They're probably getting some pretty good sales off of this site. So why can't you? You can do this same thing. You sure can. Just come over here to class.org. Take advantage of their high traffic that they have to this website and post your offers on here as well. Alrighty, that's the second site. And the third site is Hubli. Hubli Classifieds. Same thing here is you can sign in or register up here, register for your account. Click on that and use your email address, choose a username and a password, and they will probably send you a confirmation mail like most websites do. Most of these classified type sites do that, or most websites do, to get you to confirm so that you're not using some sort of a fake email address, right? So click register, get your account confirmed, your email address confirmed, and then come back over and sign into your account here, and then click on post an ad, and then it will bring up your ad thing here where you can post your ad on this site as well. So I don't think that there's many people using, let's see if we type in Clickbank here and see what we get here. Now there's a few, there's a couple here, not many people. So this is a wide open site right here for your Clickbank offers. There's not many people that know about this site apparently for Clickbank. So you can give it a shot, come over here, sign up, register, and get signed in and post an ad on Hubli, and you can see they have lots of categories that you can post an ad in. I mean every category that's here is just about every category that you have on Clickbank, and all these products that you can promote off of Clickbank here. Okay, home and garden is one. If we click on that, you see that they've got home and garden down here, all these categories that you can post your offers into in home and garden. Same thing with anything else that's on Clickbank. You can also find products that you can use to post on Hubli and market your Clickbank products on this site as well. And I think that, let's take a look at the traffic on here, and it's going to tell me it doesn't, but I know it does because it did it before. There it is, Hubli.com. Let's check it out. And there you go. You see, sir, the monthly visits to this website is 2 million people. That's a lot of folks. That's a lot of traffic. Looking from April to September, it went down as low as 1.74 million. That's still a killer amount of traffic. And it went up as high as in July to 2.26 million. And right now it's right at about 2 million people even for the month, this month anyway, between September and October. So there you have it, guys. That's 3 websites with high traffic. You're looking at somewhere around a total of probably, so you're looking at almost 70 million people that you guys can market your Clickbank products to and drive traffic to your offers and make Clickbank sales. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I had for you today. Wanted to show you these 3 high traffic websites. Reach down there and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also, if you want to forget about these little low ticket Clickbank offers and get into a high ticket sales business, then you want to click down there where you see it says mentorwithkev.com and check out what's offered for you there and get involved and have yourself an online business up and running within 15 days or less for just the price of a cup of Starbucks coffee. Alrighty, guys, check that out. I'm going to let you go with all that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so with the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.